Okay, I just had to record this. GoGun finally responded to my email from April, and unbelievably, here's the response. Dear customer, unfortunately, Mr. Lickenbrush has left the company, so I'm not familiar with the subject. What parts do you need from us? Kind regards, J. Sharf. So, over a year after I originally ordered the GoGun, the company is now unfamiliar with the entire situation I'm dealing with. This is absolutely fucking insane. I don't even know how to reply to this guy. This is insane. This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. They're claiming to not even know what I'm talking about. Holy shit. Wow. Wow, GoGun, wow.